All right, 27. State whether each of the following sampling methods would provide a simple random sample of 50 college students. Survey the first 50 students to enter the math building in the morning. Obtain a list of randomly assigned student ID numbers and then select every fifth student on the list until there are 50 students. Or place the name of each student in a hat and then draw 50 names. Okay, when we're looking at simple random sampling, we have two factors. One is probability. They all have to be equally likely. You may remember those words from Ms. McWhorter's explanation earlier in the year. And your second factor is actually being chosen independently. If one person is chosen and then the rest depend on that wouldn't be independent. So things that are systematic would not be considered to be chosen independently. So those are the two factors at play here, and let's write up each one. Okay, so for our first bullet point, the first method is not a simple random sample because not every student is equally likely to be chosen. Right? So yeah, basically that explains that the probability is not the same for each of the students. Let's look at the second one. That's the one where we're talking about this independently chosen piece. So we can either say independently chosen or we could say it's too systematic. Either one, whatever you like. So the second method is not a simple random sample. I'm just using SRS. You'd probably want to write out the whole thing. Is not a simple random sample because the students are not chosen independently. And let's look at the last one. The third method is an example of a simple random sample because each student is equally likely to be chosen for the survey, and each is chosen independently. Great, I guess the only way to remember that one is to memorize it. Done.